Okay, now remember we did the name, so we could simply pick on the name. And once we pick on the name, we can come over here to the modifier list. And we can come down and let's look at Mesh Smooth right here. So when we click there, we can look that it really just crinkles the heck out of it. That's not what we want. So what we want to do is come over here and we want to change this here. Okay? So let's change this. And we want to change our smoothness as well. Let's change the smoothness to about point, maybe to 5. Okay. And now you can see that it changed a bit. Looks a little smoother. So we know that right here we'll change our smoothness. Now we could raise it back to 1. It'll go crazy. Okay, we could also click on here for smoothness. And we can make this smoother. And it'll change a little bit for us, but not really much. Okay, so we could do 0.50. Okay, and it makes it a little bit nicer, a little smoother. Okay. So the different things that we do to it, different things will happen. Okay. So that is making the name smooth.